Good morning, Dr. Ho, teachers and students. I'm Mr. Leung. So I hope you are feeling refreshed and ready to start a new day. So this week has been a journey of 4 hours: rest, relaxation, relationship, and resilience. And I'm excited to share some highlights with you. This week, we have organized a series of activities. Our aim is to provide you with resources and strategies to enhance your emotional health and navigate daily life with greater ease and joy. Did you know that our bodies naturally produce chemicals that influence our mood? We call them happy hormones. They are dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and endorphins. Together, they make up what we call the dose of happiness. So let's start with dopamine. So this is the hormone of reward and motivation. We get a boost of dopamine when we achieve goals, complete tasks, and experience small wins. It is important to know that no matter how small the event is, your accomplishment is. For example, kicking a shuttlecock or group skipping 10 times with your teams is a small win. So celebrate this moment and fuels our motivation to keep going. Engaging in hobbies also significantly increase dopamine levels. Make times of activities you enjoy. Maybe it is reading a good book, playing chess with friends, or doing something fun and fulfilling. Another way to stimulate the dopamine release is through music. And that's why we have the well-being music sharing corner and song dedication section. Music can evoke strong emotions and create positive feelings. Next, we have oxytocin, which often referred to as the love hormones. It is released through social bonding and connection. For example, interaction with animals is a wonderful way to boost your oxytocin levels. Spending quality time with your friends and families is equally important. Nurturing positive relationships and connecting with others are crucial for our emotional well-being. The next one is serotonin. It plays a vital role in mood regulation. Getting enough rest is essential for maintaining a healthy serotonin levels. Prioritize sleep to support your overall mood and emotional balance. So last time we have some students and teachers take a rest, take a nap, in the hall, and I only show my face here. And then another way, to increase the serotonin level is the exposure to sunlight. So spending some time outdoor. Finally, we have endorphins. These are some natural painkillers and are released during physical activity and laughter. So you may watch some comedies, you can exercise, or do something fun, and then to reduce stress and promote positive feelings with your friends and teachers. Another way to increase the endorphins level is to eat dark chocolate. So here, I would like to take a moment to appreciate all of you for your active participation in the assembly. And it is wonderful to see the student engagement and smiling on their face. So everyone will receive a piece of dark chocolate. So class teacher, so please arrange it in a suitable time. So remember, if you have any kind of allergy, so please be aware, what you cannot eat. So here, as a summary, so please remember your dose of happiness. So DOSE stands for the happy hormones. By focusing on these hormones, you can effectively manage stress, reduce anxiety, and improve your concentration and overall well-being. So yesterday, I know that, before the assembly, some student, may have the feeling like this. So please leave me alone. I don't want to participate in the assembly. I'm tired. You just left me. Sit in an empty classroom, or just like the doll. Sometimes you run out of energy. And then, so I just want to say that it is perfectly okay to feel tired, overwhelming, or down. But however, for many of us, when we start engaging in activities, we discover that there can be surprise, support from others, and also some new discoveries. So even though you are feeling reluctance, I encourage you to give it a try. and you may be pleasantly surprised by what you found. The spirit of embracing new experience is especially important, okay, for our coming activity weeks. Accepting the challenge with a willingness to try and attempt, you may find something better within yourself, a precious moment of connection with others, and new discoveries that contribute to your personal growth. In the song dedication section, we have also received many encouraging messages, okay, and from your peers and teachers. Here, I would like to share some message that is to all Canadians. I would like to share them with you. For example, you are not alone. Keep it up, Canadians. God loves you. Relax and enjoy your day. There are many more messages. I can't show it all, show them all here, but this is some message that's from your classmates, from your peers, okay, to all of you. Also, I would like to take this opportunity to expand my gratitude, okay, to all the teachers, social workers, okay, in the counseling team, okay, so our general office staff, okay, and janitors, okay, for helping us to set up different venue, and also all student helpers and CIN helpers. So before we end this counseling week, I would like to leave you a key message, okay, a final yo. Actually, so Canadians, no need to be perfect, but I hope that, okay, when you got those 4 hours, you can be 游刃有餘, okay? Strive for a balance, flexibility, and a positive approach to life's challenge. Okay, so here it brings us to the end of our counseling week. Thank you very much. But okay, here also the counseling team would like to take this opportunity to have some recruitment. Okay, so we are recruiting some peer supporter, just like 大哥姐, okay, and then for the coming S1 orientation activities. And also, okay, as we have many board games, okay, and then we want to recruit some helpers for organizing some board game activities. So if you are interested in it, so please, okay, apply for it, okay, in the questionnaire, okay, in the next page. So now, approaching the end of the morning assembly, so please take a moment to complete the survey about the counseling weeks. And thank you all for your time, and I wish you all have a wonderful and enriching counseling week.